Alors, j'adore cette topic de discussion cette semaine. I am so excited that you're going to be describing your tenue de rêve, your dream outfit. You know, this is like the worst game of Would You Rather. I've given you 6 choices, and I know you are going to be in love with one of them. So one of them is it. I know I have gotten into your brains, and I have found one of them for you. You're about to hear Thor get yelled at, by the way. I hear my husband down there screaming. So one of them is your dream. And so you were going to state that you love, vous adorez tenue numéro 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ou 6. Énumérer, pardon, ce qu'on porte dans l'image en détail et après où vous portez cette tenue. Got that? All that? It's all listed there in English too. So here are those beautiful outfits that you have the choice of. Numéro 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 et 6. Choisissez. Then you'll go back and you're going to comment on other people's. So choices that you might have, you know, on where they're planning to wear those outfits. No negativity, you know. Maybe you want to go on the picnic with them if that's where they're wearing it. Or, you know, maybe there's a promposal that happens in French. Or that you've got the same outfit, perhaps. Maybe that's the same one you chose.